Welcome back, millionaires. Today, we are diving deep into a topic that can transform your life in unimaginable ways. It's all about stepping out of your comfort zone, embracing uncertainty, and taking those crucial risks that can propel you towards a richer, more fulfilling life. Yes, we are talking about the 10 risks everyone should take in life. If you're tired of playing it safe and ready to elevate your personal and professional game, this video is for you. Remember, the greatest rewards come from the biggest risks, and every successful person you admire has a story of risk-taking that led to their triumph. Picture this: you're standing at the edge of a cliff, the breathtaking view of possibilities ahead, but the fear of falling holds you back. Imagine if Steve Jobs had never taken the risk to start Apple in his garage, or if Dhirubhai Ambani had stuck to a safe, traditional job instead of building one of India's largest conglomerates, Reliance Industries. The world as we know it would be drastically different, less innovative, less inspired. These legends dared to take risks, and their boldness not only changed their lives but also left an indelible mark on the world. So, millionaires, it's time to harness your inner risk-taker. Whether it's in your career, personal relationships, or self-development journey, taking calculated risks can unlock doors you never knew existed. We often hold ourselves back due to fear of failure or rejection, but it's these very experiences that build resilience, teach valuable lessons, and ultimately lead to success. In this video, I, Molly, will guide you through 10 essential risks that can revolutionize your life. These aren't just random leaps into the unknown, they are strategic, purposeful steps that can help you achieve your dreams and goals. We'll explore real-life examples, including some inspiring stories from India, to illustrate how these risks have paid off for many. So, grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's embark on this journey together. And don't forget to stick around till the end for a special bonus point that you won't want to miss. Number 1. Risk of failure. Millionaires, let's start with a fundamental yet daunting risk, the risk of failure. Failure isn't the end, it's a stepping stone to success. Think of the renowned Indian scientist Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. His early experiments in the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, faced several setbacks, but each failure taught invaluable lessons that eventually led to monumental successes like the launch of the satellite SLV-3. The key takeaway here is to not let the fear of failure paralyze you. Instead, embrace it, learn from it, and use it as fuel to drive your ambitions forward. Number 2. Risk of rejection. Next, we have the risk of rejection. Whether it's in your personal relationships or professional endeavors, rejection is a part of life. Consider the story of Amitabh Bachchan, one of Bollywood's biggest stars. He faced numerous rejections early in his career due to his unconventional looks and deep voice. However, his persistence paid off, and today he is celebrated as a legend in Indian cinema. Rejection is merely a redirection, an opportunity to refine your approach and come back stronger. Number 3. Risk of leaving a stable job. Another significant risk is leaving a stable job to pursue your passion. This can be incredibly daunting, especially in a country like India where job security is highly valued. But look at the example of Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw, who left a stable job to start Biocon, which is now one of the leading biotechnology companies in India. Taking this leap of faith can lead to extraordinary opportunities and immense personal satisfaction. Number 4. Risk of starting your own business. Starting your own business is a risk that can potentially transform your life. Take the case of Ritesh Agrawal, the founder of Ovio Rooms. He ventured into the hospitality industry at a young age, facing numerous challenges and risks. Today, Ovio is a global brand, revolutionizing budget accommodation. Starting your own business involves risk, but with determination and a clear vision, it can lead to unparalleled success. Number 5. Risk of investing in new opportunities. Investing in new opportunities, especially those outside your comfort zone, can be a game changer. Consider Mukesh Ambani's decision to invest in the telecommunications sector, leading to the creation of Jio. This bold move revolutionized the telecom industry in India, making high-speed internet accessible to millions. Investing in new opportunities, even when they seem risky, can yield significant rewards. Number 6. Risk of pursuing further education. Pursuing further education, particularly when you're already established in your career, is another essential risk. It's an investment in yourself that can pay off immensely. For example, Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, pursued higher education at Stanford University, which significantly contributed to his rise in the tech industry. Continuously upgrading your skills and knowledge can open doors to new opportunities and career advancement. Number 7. Risk of moving to a new city or country. Moving to a new city or country is a significant risk that can lead to personal and professional growth. Think of Indra Nooyi, who moved from India to the United States and eventually became the CEO of PepsiCo. Such a move can be intimidating, but it exposes you to new cultures, perspectives, and opportunities that can enhance your career and enrich your life. Number 8. Risk of ending toxic relationships. Ending toxic relationships, whether personal or professional, is crucial for your well-being and success. This risk can be challenging due to emotional ties and social pressures, but it's necessary for personal growth. Take inspiration from Priyanka Chopra, who has often spoken about removing negative influences from her life to focus on her career and well-being. Surrounding yourself with supportive and positive people is essential for your mental health and success. Number 9. Risk of public speaking and expressing yourself. Public speaking and expressing your ideas can be nerve-wracking, but it's a vital risk to take for personal and professional development. Consider the example of Arunachalam Muruganathan, who spoke out about menstrual hygiene in India. Despite initial ridicule, his courage to speak publicly led to the creation of affordable sanitary products for millions of women, revolutionizing menstrual health in rural India. Expressing yourself confidently can lead to positive change and new opportunities. Number 10. Risk of self-reflection and personal growth. Lastly, the risk of self-reflection and personal growth is often overlooked but incredibly important. Taking the time to understand your strengths, weaknesses, and aspirations can be transformative. Mahatma Gandhi's journey of self-reflection led him to become a pivotal figure in India's independence movement. Regular self-reflection can help you align your actions with your goals and lead a more fulfilling life. Bonus point number 11. Risk of being authentically you. Now for the bonus point, millionaires, the risk of being authentically you. In a world that constantly tries to mold you into someone else, staying true to yourself is a bold and rewarding risk. Bollywood actress Deepika Padukone's openness about her battle with depression has inspired many and highlighted the importance of mental health. Being authentic allows you to connect with others on a deeper level and live a life true to your values. Summary and conclusion. To sum up, taking risks is an integral part of growth and success. From embracing failure and rejection to pursuing your passions and investing in new opportunities, each risk we discussed today has the potential to transform your life. Remember, millionaires, it's not about being reckless, it's about taking calculated risks that align with your goals and values. Now, I have a question for you. What is the biggest risk you have ever taken, and how did it change your life? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, comment with your thoughts, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to Wondrous Millionaires for more content that helps you elevate your life. Until next time, keep taking those risks and stay wonderful, millionaires.